We're gonna make bagels. This is a donut pan. We're gonna make donuts too. The donut pan. First, we need a pan. We need to piece the pan. I do it by myself. Why are we doing this? So they don't stick in the pan. Grandma, you make the mess. We forgot some. What are we making again? Donut pan. Around and around and around. Round and around. Oh, you're fast. It's like a train.
So they're all buttered now.
Wait, there's donuts under there.
Yep. Oh.
This is the big bowl. I gotta whisk it up. We need a bowl. We need to play around it.
Now you push this part. Push this.
Wait,
Push.
what?
Yep. Push. Good job.
Oh, we gotta mix this.
Not yet.
Who are we gonna mix it with? Sunflower flour.
Self-rising flour.
Sunflower. Can I do that?
Yep. Go ahead, dump it in there. Yep. One.
It's on me.
Oh no.
It's like snow. Two.
Say two.
Two.
Dump it in.
Three. No, count.
1, 2, 3, go.
Count.
1, 2, 3, go.
I did it. A
Okay.
cup and a half. And sunflower flour. Some frozen flour. Mixing up.
Whoop.
With both hands.
Yeah.
It's easy. We need to go very fast. Well, can I play this?
Yep.
Oh,
So
you're squishy.
little measuring cup
Can you get me a napkin?
it's called kneading.
It's called kneading.
Mm-hmm.
I don't kneading. Can you get me a napkin?
Roll it.
I did it.
Roll it.
Roll it.
Roll it. Okay, and then, let me see.
I did it.
You did. It's a little bit dry now.
Can I put mine in there?
Yep.
Yours is like a donut.
Mm-hmm.
I want to put mine in there.
Right.
A donut for me. Need more?
Okay, I'm going to put that one
Where's it gonna go?
on that one.
You make it?
Mm-hmm.
Now, we gotta cook them.
Yep, we're going to cook them.
Why?
You don't want to eat them raw. They don't taste good raw.
Can I do that?
There you go.
Where's it gonna go?